What do you think? New York. This is Canal Street. Central. Uh, Beautiful. Oh, this is Chinatown right there. That is, this is it's like we are in China. You want to go to that Chinatown? This is where they sell all the fake stuff. That you know, believe it. And now the police show up and people start running. Yeah. Yeah. New York police show up, and people start running. Yeah, all these people because they see the police. You know, the police. He looked at me for a long time. but no, he think yeah, but you don't know, man. If he asks me, I will be wrong. You know, I'm not trying to like focus on him. Wow, look at all this turkey chicken. He, and that's the chicken, I think. I'm not sure. And we got a yellow chicken. This is a metro area. All right. Mhm. Look, you can do it from the small pass. That's what I did. Pass on the phone. You can believe that. The people are running. Come on, come on. Look, 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 look. Come on. The police just got one Senegali guy stuff. He's selling, you see? And he got that. So the guy, he's gonna lose all of that. Yeah, yeah, just the police got it, so he gonna lose it. Wow. And it's all fake. So everybody's gonna be running. Yep, he's running. Yep, yep, he's chasing somebody. Excuse. Yeah, he's chasing the people. Yeah, the police is chasing the people. It's crazy. But it's your phone. Oh, leftovers. So that's smart. In case you lose me. Yeah. So he's looking for. Yeah. Gotta go.
Why do there garbage everywhere?
Yeah. And all these first sellers, fake sellers, they all run. And they all left. Wow. That's sad.
Like barely.
Don't touch your pictures. You don't want this one. The photo. Yeah, that one.